Hello students, welcome to our part 3 of first in agriculture and horticulture. Now start with our 151 to at the end of this whole PDF. Let's start. First Islamic garden in India was developed by Feroz Shah. Next, first Mughal garden was developed by Babar at Agra called Ram Bagh. Next, first tomb garden made in India is Humayun's tomb. First garden made by Akbar, Fatehpur Sikri, Agra, and second at Sikandrabad, Agra. Next, first botanical garden in tropics was in Mauritius 1735 and second in Kolkata. Next, first botanical garden in world was at Padua, Venice in Italy in the year 1543. Next, 157. First professional floral designer was Greek. Next, first century Anti-Domini topiary was started. Next, first reference of rose perfume Charaka Samhita. Next, first bonsai garden Kamala Nehru Park. Next, first colchicine introduced tetraploid synthetic species of daylily Hemerocallis washingtonia. Next, first imported anthurium pastel colored. Next, first widely cultivated anthurium pod plant Anthurium sacrarium. Next, first chrysanthemum known to USA, dark purple, imported by scientist John Stevens in 1798. Next, first African marigold variety, Climax and Toreador. Next, first introduction of Dahlia in 1857 by Horticultural Society of India, Kolkata. Next, first gerbera was introduced by R. Jameson in South Africa in year 1878. First flower grown in space, Genia. Comment the answer of first horticultural crop grown in space. Next, 170. First cultivar of carnation is Souvenir La Malmaison in 1857. Next, first Indian company to grow carnation in international standards, Feroz. Next, first genetically modified floriculture crop has been violet blue color variety, Moonlight, which is a variety of carnation. Next, first person to grow gladiolus in India, Mr. Charles Gray. Next, first fragrant variety of gladiolus is Lucky Star, chromosome number is 40. Next, 175. First smoky variety of gladiolus is Prince of India. Next, first chemical used to break corn dormancy, ethylene chlorohydrin, which was given by Denny in 1938. 177. First in vitro propagation of gladiolus done by Zeev et al. Zeev and its mates in 1970. Once last of this page. First species of bougainvillea introduced in India was Bougainvillea spectabilis. Next, first bougainvillea variety by S. Pressy Lancaster in India was Scarlet Queen in 1920. Now, next, first hybrid of orchid, Cypripedium muscata cross Cypripedium fructata, which was developed by Dr. J. Dimoni in 1852. Next, first ornamental orchid was Cypripedium regni. First bigeneric hybrid of orchid is Phaeus gradiflorus cross Calanthe vista. Next, first sexageneric hybrid of orchid Berlandera Grey, registered in 1982. Next, first meristem tip culture in orchid is Cymbidium species, given by Morel in 1960. First tissue culture in orchid done by Morel. First tissue culture laboratory for orchid developed by A.V. Thomas in 1984. World's first blue rose. Applause. Blue color of rose is due to which compound? Comment the answer of this question. Next, 191. First hybrid tea rose was La France, developed by Gulliot in 1867. First hybrid tea yellow rose, Solelit. First hybrid perpetual tea, Princess Helene. Next, first Floribunda, Rodate by Paulson in 1912. First Grandiflora, Buccaneer in 1952. First Polyantha, La Paquirate in 1875. First rose variety developed by B.P. Pal was Roses Sarbat. Next, first Indian rose breeder who raised cultivar Dr. S.D. Mukherjee in 1935 and by B.K. Roy Chaudhary. Next, first climate control garden house established in India by Indo-American Hybrid Seed Company. Next, first chief scientist officer of UPASI, UPASI, United Planters Association of South India, Dr. W.S. Shaw. Next, first tea research station at Jorhat, Assam in 1904. Next, first rank of tea production in the world is China. Comment the answer of first rank tea production in India. Which state? Next, first report of hybrid vigor or heterosis in coconut was given by G.H. Patel in 1937. Next, first observed coconut root wilt in 1882. First appeared Tatika disease of coconut in Tatipaka village of East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh in 1949. Next, first dwarf tenra, Daru into Piscifera from Nigerian germplasm connection, Indian dwarf. First industrial park of rubber and rubber wood based industries, Kerala. First fortified tea with vitamin A, B2 and niacin, Brooke Bond A1 by Hindustan Lever Limited. Next, first consignment of Assam tea sent to London in 1839. First time. 2010. Next, first auction center of tea in India, Kolkata, 1861. Next, world first tea company, the Assam Company. Next, first step of tea processing is withering. Next, first paper research scheme was initiated by Government of Madras, Pannur. First egg mark specifications formulated for curry powder in 1956. Next, first spice park of India is Chinidwara in Madhya Pradesh. Next, first fruit produce research laboratory in India in Kodur. First fruit and vegetable processing industry in India developed at Mumbai in 1935. First fruit preservation and canning institute at Lucknow in 1949. First carotenoid pigment was found in carrot. Comment the answer of this question is red color of carrot is due to, yellow color of carrot is due to, orange color of carrot is due to, and last one is purple or black color of carrot is due to. Comment the answer of these questions. Now next, first bioagent for controlling post-harvest disease, Bacillus subtilis. Next, first commercial flexible film, cellophane. Next, first synthetic color, coal tar. First fruit harvested by machine is cranberry. Next, first British patented on canning of food in tin container received by Peter Durand in 1810. Next, first fruit and vegetable processing started in 1857. First explained cause of spoilage of stored food by Needham in 1749. First to describe canning method, Saddington in 1807. First described hypobaric storage, Berg and Berg in 1966. First rank state under drip irrigation, according to 2017 Andhra Pradesh. Comment the answer. Which state is first in rank in 2025? According to latest data. Next, sprinkler system, Rajasthan. According to 2025, Rajasthan is leading in overall micro irrigation and sprinkler system. And you have to comment the answer of this drip irrigation question. Which state first rank in drip irrigation? Rajasthan is the state which is leading in micro irrigation, which means total drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. And ये क्वेश्चन पूछ ले कि which state first rank in sprinkler irrigation, which is also Rajasthan. Next, first rank in milk production, India. First indigenous breed biofortified for beta carotene variety was Pusa beta kesari, developed by IARI. Pusa beta kesari is a variety of cauliflower. First rank state under rice production, West Bengal. First international okra workshop was done at NBPGR in New Delhi, 1990. First to develop heat tolerant cabbage by Japanese breeder varieties, KK Cross KY. First yellow vein mosaic virus tolerant variety, Pusa Savani, but nowadays it is susceptible. First improved variety of potato started releasing in year 1958, Kufri Kisan Kufri Kuber. It is. Next, first in vitro culture of pepper done by Smith and Heiser in 1957. First DG of ICR, BP Pal. He initiated All India Coordinated Research Projects. Next, first director of IARI, Dr. B. Viswanath. At present time, the DG of ICR is changed. Comment the answer in comment. Who is the current DG of ICR? Next, first interspecific hybrid of cotton, Varalakshmi, which is cross between Gossypium hirsutum into Gossypium barbadense. Next, first hybrid of hirsutum, Maru Vikas, Rajasthan, developed in Rajasthan. First All India Coordinated Research Project was started in maize crop in 1957 and first NRC in groundnut in 1960. First Agriculture University in India, G.V. Pant in 1960 also. First KVK started in Pondicherry in 1974. KVK was started by the recommendation of Mohan Singh Mehta Committee. Next, first Chairman of National Commission on Farmers, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Next, first position in transgenic plant, USA. And which crop is highest cultivated? Which transgenic crop is highest cultivated in India or in world? Comment the answer. First hybrid rice developed by China in 1974. Next, first mustard hybrid NRC HV 506, which was developed by DRMR, Directorate of Rapeseed and Mustard Research. Next, first rice variety introduced in India is TN1 in 1964. First man-made cereal, triticale. Comment the answer. Cross of triticale. First product of urea hydrolysis, ammonium carbamate. Next, first wheat biologically controlled, Lantana camera. First country to develop pearl millet hybrid, HB1, which is cross of tip 23A into BIL3B in Ludhiana, Punjab in 1965. First rank in sugar production and consumption, India. Maximum number of sugar mills are in which state? Comment the answer. Next, first Indian rice variety, Jaya, which was cross of TN1 into type 141, developed by Dr. Sastri. Next, first time the word weed zero tillage was used by Jethro Tull. Father of tillage is also known as Jethro Tull. Next, first high yielding dwarf variety developed in world is IR8, which is cross of DG Ujen into Beta. Next, first hybrid Basmati in world, PRH 10. Next, first hybrid rice variety in India, CORH1. Next, first reported Khara disease in rice by Dr. Y.L. Nene in 1966. Khara disease is caused due to deficiency of zinc. Next, first time wheat introduced in India by Annie Borlaug from Mexico. First time India 4 double cross hybrid was released, Ganga 1, Ganga 101, Deccan and Ranjit, which is a variety of maize. Next, first male sterile line of pearl millet is tip 23A. First interspecific hybridization in Bajra, Pusa Napier 1. Next, first sorghum hybrid, CSH1. Next, first spinning variety of Egyptian cotton in Sujata. First commercial cotton hybrid, intra-hirsutum is H4. And next, first variety of mustard developed by V.L. Chopra. Biotechnological somatic hybridization, Pusa Jai Kisan. Next, first tobacco variety in India, GTH1, Guntur Tobacco Hybrid 1. Next, first reported on Congress grass, Parthenium hysterophorus in Pune. It was controlled by Zygogramma bicolorata. introduced in 1983 from Mexico. First irrigation of crop is known as core watering. Next, first manufactured fertilizer in India is SSP, single super phosphate. In SSP, 16% phosphorus, 12% sulfur and 19% calcium is present. Next, first country to introduce zero tillage, USA, United States of America. Next, first antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929 and second was streptomycin. Next, first stage of water erosion is splash erosion. Next, first stage of movement of soil particles in series of jump is known as saltation. Next, first seedless variety of mango in the world is Sindhu, which is cross of Ratna and Alfonso, which was developed at Fruit Research Station. Next, first dwarf pea variety Aparna. Next, first stable development of photostable pyrethroid is permethrin. Next, first discovered pulse beetle, China. Calosebruchus chinensis is the scientific name of pulse beetle. Next, first microscope was developed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, which is also known as father of microbiology. Next, first bacterial etiology of anthrax disease was discovered by Robert Koch in 1876. Next, first reported on double-stranded DNA in cauliflower was Shepherd in 1968. First scientist collected and identified fungi in India, K.R. Karthikar. Next, first discovered copper sulfate by Prevost in 1807 against burnt of wheat. Next, first systemic fungicide carboxine was developed by Vanes Fleming and Marshall Kulka in 1966. Next, first solar energy treatment to control loose spot of wheat was Luthra and Satara in 1934. First journal of nematology in world, Nematologia. Next, first experimented CS2 for control of sugar beet cyst nematode done by Konin. Next, first reported virus transmission by nematode Xiphenema index transmitted of grapevine leaf virus. Next, first reported PPN root knot nematode infestation in tea was by Barber. First time Indian Journal of Nematology published in 1971. First reported ear cockle nematode by J.T. Needham in 1743. Next, first reported golden cest nematode Globodera rostrochinensis in India by F.G.W. Jones in 1961 from Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu. Next, first nematode reported to cause damage on mushroom Ditylenchus mycelophagus. Next, first time ribosome was reported by Palade in 1953. Next, first RNA was synthesized by S. Ochoa in 1969. First mutation was defined by Hugo de Vries. First described mitotic cell division by von Beneden in 1883 in roundworm. Next, first described chromosome by Strasburger in 1875. First term chromosome was used by Waldeyer in 1888.